Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make African black soap shampoo. So we're using the black soap, glycerin, German plus preservative, conditioning agent, tea tree and peppermint oil, and lastly xanthan gum. So we're going to start the process by boiling water, then soak the African black soap in the water to dissolve manually. Then afterwards, we're going to move over to mixing our organic products. So here is the xanthan gum. I'm going to add some scoop of it into that plastic. Then I'm going to add my glycerin, 2 scoop also. So I'm going to mix carefully, gently, and I'm seeing that it's not coming together, so I went in with more glycerin, and this is the consistency I'm looking for, and this is what we got. So I'm just going to go ahead to pour into the mixture. So xanthan gum and glycerin helps to create a slurry paste that will help with the texture of the shampoo. So I'm going to stir very carefully. Conditioning agent helps the foaming process for the shampoo. So next thing, I'm going in with my German plus preservative. So this is the final result of my shampoo. So due to I wanted my shampoo to last longer for me, I went in with more xanthan gum to give me this consistency. But if you don't want your shampoo to be this way, you can skip this process of adding the xanthan gum and just let it be this way it was initially. I wanted mine to last longer for me, that's why I went in with more xanthan gum. So it's your choice to go in or just use it this way. So next thing, I'm going to go in with my peppermint and tea tree oil, which is good for the hair and scalp. It prevents dryness, itchiness, and other scalp problems, and also prevents hair loss. Lastly, I'm going in with my Ayurvedic hair oil. So I'm just going to stir this properly, and this is the final look of my shampoo. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.